Hey guys, I'm going to make a quick video on reversing a rear view camera because this image is not the right way around. So when you would steer left, the camera is going right, and these two cars are actually the other way around. So the white car is actually standing on the left side and the blue car is standing on the right side. If I look out the back, the blue car is left and the white car is right, and here the white car is right and the blue car is left. So let me show you quickly what to do here. This is the cable for the camera, and the white cable is a loop for the reverse. Well, put it this way, the mirror image, to flip the image. And I think this gray cable is to give you the lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to cut them. Now, I just need my scissors. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just cut the one wire and then cut the other wire. Oopsie, cut it right through. I'm going to have to clean that up a little bit. So let me close the boot so that we have the image. Actually, let me just nip that again. There and there. Let me just close the boot again, and then you will see that the image on the camera will be the right way around. Switch off the car. Switch on the car. Wait for the radio to kick in. There, and now, hang on. Turn the car on, put it in reverse. And the Mini is now on the left, and the Range Rover is on the right, and I have the lines. I'm just going to adjust the setting a little bit, but now if I turn the steering wheel left, I am going left on the camera. So that's a quick fix on the cheapo radios and the cheapo cameras, where you do not have an actual reverse setting on your display that you can actually flip the image around. So cutting those two loops is the only way to do that. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.